One of the most dangerous moments in a relationship is when partners stop seeing each other as a teammate and start seeing each other as enemies. Arguments turn into battles, words become weapons, and instead of protecting the relationship, both people begin trying to win the fight. But real love was never meant to feel like a war. You might be thinking, because obviously this is what happens, this is the drama that takes place in so many marriages. Hello beautiful souls, you're welcome to Heal and Rise with Adley. Place where we walk around emotional healing, marriage and relationship growth. I'm a wife and a mother for over 24 years, and I've been an academic for 15 years and presently senior carer at the United Kingdom, a practitioner in mental health and relationship, positive psychology. Throughout both professional experience of my personal journey, I have learned how deeply emotional healing and healthy relationships shape our lives. And that's why I created this space to help people heal emotionally, strengthen their relationship, and build healthier, more fulfilling life. And if this message resonates with you, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share your thoughts in the comment section. Now, let's dive into the conversation. Many relationships begin with partnership. Two people supporting each other, encouraging each other, protecting the connection between them. But over time, especially when conflict appears, something subtle can begin to change. Instead of trying to understand each other, partners begin to try to prove who is right. The focus shifts from solving the problem to winning the argument. Have you ever experienced that? And the moment that happens, the relationship begins to feel less like a partnership and more like a competition. Right? Good. Why turning each other into enemy is so dangerous? When partners start treating each other like enemies, communication becomes defensive. Instead of listening, people prepare their next argument, as if they are in a law court. There's an argument coming up like bombs. Instead of empathy, frustration grows. Instead of connection, emotional distance begins to form. The relationship slowly loses its strength, loses the sense of safety that love requires. Because love cannot grow where there is constant emotional warfare. So when this happens, the love begins to gets tinier, and the threshold of love fades away over time. Real love does not mean the absence of disagreements. Every couple may experience conflicts, but healthy relationships handle conflicts differently. In real love, partners remember something important. The problem is the enemy, not each other. This means choosing respect even during frustration. It means protecting each other's dignity even during disagreement. It means remembering that both people are on the same side. When couples adopt this mindset, arguments become opportunity to understand rather than battles to win. Building partnership in relationships. Sometimes, relationship drifts into conflict patterns without either partner realizing it. But change can begin when both individuals shift their focus back to partnership, listening with patience, speaking with respect, approaching problems together rather than attacking each other. When couples protect their relationship instead of their egos, emotional connection can begin to grow. If you are in a relationship, remember this simple but powerful truth. Your partner is not your enemy. The challenge you face together are the real obstacle and not your partner. Now I would love to hear from you. Have you ever experienced a moment in a relationship where an argument turned into a battle instead of a conversation? What do you think helped? What do you think helps couples stay on the same theme? Share your thoughts in the comments section. And if you want more conversation about emotional healing, marriage and relationship growth, please like this video. Subscribe to Heal and Rise with Adley. Because when couples learn to face problems together as a team, they also learn how to heal and rise. Once more, I'm gonna say bye-bye until my next episode.